pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers. Cheap movers, Towson local and long-distance movers near me. With 3 movers on your side, you can handle your long-distance move with confidence. We'll take care of moving your stuff and ensuring it gets to your new home safely, while you focus on finding housing, setting up utilities, signing your kids up for school, and all the other steps you'll need to take after your move. We even offer a full-service moving company in Towson. That means we'll pack up all of your stuff for you in Towson, and when it arrives at your new home, we'll even help you unpack and arrange it, saving you lots of time and allowing you to get back to your day-to-day routine more quickly after your move. Whenever you're moving to a new home or apartment in Towson, 3 Movers is here to make things easy for you. With our local movers in Towson, you don't have to worry about renting a truck or planning a DIY move. Instead, you can trust our professional movers to take care of everything for you. Your movers will arrive on time, handle your things with care, and take some of the stress and hassle out of the moving process. Get a quote for local moving now. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Towson moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.